Hi friends, let's look at the markets today. We are now currently trading above 5,000. After the expiry of the September series yesterday, the markets managed to bound above above 5,000 levels. Also, the data that is coming from US, GDP data is more than estimates. Jobless data is better than estimates, and also the passing of bill in the German Parliament has created maybe not such a great positive sentiment, but at least markets it will stop the fall of markets for the time being. So for the next 10-15 days, probably the markets will slowly head higher once again to a level of 5150, 5200, where they will hit resistance, and then we can take it from there. So in this rise, generally Tata Motors has been looking strong. Yesterday it has given a rise of around 5 to 10%. So it might go up to the levels of 170 once again. Also, another beaten down stock has been IFCI. IFCI, you can, it's only a trading bet, it's not for investors, but you can buy it with a target of around 35 levels, in the next few days. So other than this, in general, banking is stronger. All the SBI can go up to a level of 2000 once again, where it will hit resistance once again. The next week is going to start the result season. So until then, some of the IT stocks will also be stronger. So definitely, you can go ahead and if there is any correction of above 4-5%, you can start buying into them. In commodities, as I said before, please for the time being, even though the silver has fallen down to 50,000, gold you might buy around 25,500, but at least avoid silver for the time being, because I believe that it is going to test 45,000 once again, and then eventually break down below that. Other than this, if you have any questions or queries, contact me at money@hybis.tv.